we're gonna make him think it's the breast.
Okay.
So we're gonna see if he wants to open. There's the open. He's like, oh, okay, I'm ready to latch. I'm gonna make sure that bottle is quite deep in his mouth, so his lips are almost to the ring. Now I have him seated on my lap upright. He's older, he's bigger. You could have him in that side lying that I like, right? But for him, this is a good position. I have my hand behind his head to kind of keep him long. I'm holding the bottle like this, so if I need to, I can give a little cheek or chin support, but I don't need to for him, so I'm just going to kind of tuck my fingers. Now, he's naturally self-pacing. Do you see how he's taking rest breaks to breathe? There's no need to pace this baby because he's self-pacing, which is the goal. Okay, so he's doing beautiful self-pacing. He's doing sucking and swallowing, and then taking some natural breaks. He's staying nice and calm. He's not moving a lot. Now, if he moves, that's normal. He's 2 months old, so he's going to get distracted. He's kind of playing with my hand over here, which is normal. He's going to look at mommy. Hi, mommy. But yeah, he's self-pacing beautifully. There's no need to pace this baby. We pace a baby when they chug it way too fast and don't take a break.
And you mentioned in your video, sometimes you have to give the baby a chance to kind of realize it's getting full.
Yeah.
So that's why I was kind of thinking of bottle feeding. But that I think there was a newborn in that video.
Yeah, it's more with newborns. At this age, 2 months, 3 months, they have much more self-awareness where I don't know if he'll do it. He just took 2 ounces at the breast. There's an ounce in here. He might all of a sudden unlatch and turn away, or he might finish the bottle, right? You have a human baby with a human stomach. Sometimes my mouth is hungry even though my tummy's already full. So he might take the whole bottle and that would be fine, or he might stop, unlatch, and push away. That would be fine too. But right now he's doing a nice job.
So if we were to do bottle feeding at night, would it be a good thing to have like maybe 3-ounce bottle, have it ready?
If he's been sleeping for 2, 3, 4 hours, I would offer a 3-ounce bottle.
He had to sleep like 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours. Yep, 3 ounces would be fine in 2 hours.
Yeah, but he'll stop, and lately he's been stopping at 2 ounces.
If it's been normally for breastfed babies, we'll say it's 1 to 1.5 ounces per hour that it's been since they last fed. So if it's been 2 hours, he'll probably want 2 to 2.5 ounces, maybe 3. If it's been 3 hours, he'll want 3 to 4. If it's been an hour, more like an ounce, ounce and a half.
Got it. Okay.
So again, if it's been 5 hours, yeah, he might want 5 or 6 ounces.
But he's super hungry by then.
Yeah,
right?
super hungry. But short amounts of time means short volumes in the bottle.
Got it. Okay.
I know. Did you see my shirt? So did you see how he unlatched and pulled back? So I'm going to give him, he took half an ounce. So I'm going to give him a little break. Hi. Do a little burp. Say hi, mommy. Do you want to try? Now I'm going to offer. If he doesn't want it, I'm fine with that. We're going to see if he wants a little more. Do you see how he's like, oh, okay. You want to try a little more?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, sometimes he'll push away the bottle from my husband. So at that point, like, my husband's like, I don't want to force feed. I don't want to force him to force feed.
Exactly. Now, he's gotten a little sleepy. But we'll see what he does. Again, he's staying nice and calm. He's being interactive. I've got my finger here. I can kind of play with his hands. Hi, what do you think? Again, he's self-pacing beautifully. I'm not hearing any clicking on that bottle. He's not leaking milk, but he's just starting. Do you see how he's getting a little like frustrated? He's done. I think he's done.
And he's like moving his hand.
Yep. Okay. And he kind of lost interest. There you go. You did a good job. That's it.